This is Ayman Ibrahim. This is week 5 update with Laurie. So how's it going, Laurie, so far?
Still going good.
Good.
Yeah.
So I think you had a vacation last week.
I
Good.
did. Yeah.
So how was vacation?
Vacation went really good. I enjoyed it.
Yeah.
I was able to just relax.
And how about diet? Are you still on track?
Yes, surprisingly so. So what I did is I implemented some things that I've learned
Yeah.
in the sessions so far,
Yeah.
and they were easier than what I thought to do.
Yeah.
And I lost a pound.
That's
Yes.
not bad.
I was on vacation.
Yeah.
I enjoyed it,
Yeah.
and I lost.
Yeah, I thought we'll go back to square one, but it looks
Uh-huh.
like we're still on track, and this
Yes.
is week 5, right? You're still heading to your goal, right?
I'm ahead of
Ahead of your goal?
schedule. Yes, I am.
And
yeah.
that will include the last week vacation as well,
Yeah,
right?
absolutely. Which
Wow.
I cut back on, just
Yeah.
a few things, but
Yeah.
I enjoyed whatever I wanted for the, with, like I say,
Yeah.
a couple of the things that you've
Yes.
taught us so
Yeah.
far.
Yeah.
I thought I'll stick with that,
Yeah.
and it worked really well.
Very good.
Yeah.
Excellent. Excellent. So look forward to have another update next week. Best of luck.